presenting Shri Vishwatarak Ratnatraya Vidyarajitam Jainism course written by Param Pujya Sadhviji Bhagwan Shri Mani Prabhashriji Maharaj Sahib. Presenting episode 1 of Tattva Gyan from book 2 of the Jainism course. In this episode, we will be learning about Jeev, types of Jeevs and other information like Paryapti etc. The basis of almost all religions is non-violence. One who protects Jeev, Dharma always protects him. That is why it is said, Dharmo Rakshati Rakshita. Also, those who protect the Jeev never have to suffer from diseases and live a healthy and long life until and unless a person has to suffer because of past karmas. That is why in the scriptures, Jaina has been called the mother of Dharma. If there is no mother, then how could Dharma be born? Therefore, the attainment of Dharma and its practice can only be done through Jaina. But we can follow Jaina only if we have perfect knowledge about the types of Jeev and their birthplace, that is place of origin. As per the Jain scriptures, the Jeevs have been divided into many types based on various aspects. Mukta Jeev does not have two types. Sansari Jeev have two types, Tras and Sthavar, that is mobile and immobile. Jeev, whose characteristics are Gyan, Darshan and Charitra. Those who can experience happiness and sorrow are called Jeev. Example, animals, birds, insects, water, fire, plants, humans, etc. Mukt, that is liberated. The Jeevs who have gone to moksha after ending all 8 karmas. Those who have ended the cycle of birth, life and death forever and experience unending bliss are called Mukt. Sansari, the Jeev who have experienced birth and death again and again and keep on wandering in the 4 gatis. Now we shall learn about Tras and Sthavar Jeevs. Sthavar, that is immobile. The Jeev who cannot move from one place to another as per their wish during times of happiness or sorrow are called Sthavar. For example, soil, water, etc. Due to only having one sense, that is touch, they are called Ekindriya. There are 5 main forms of Sthavar Jeev. Prithvikai, all types of soil, stone, salt, soda, coal, gold, silver, precious stones, mercury, petrol, kerosene, limestone, etc. Apkai, water from the lake, well, sea, river, canal, etc. Dewdrops, ice, hail, ghanodadi, rainwater, etc. Teukai, all types of fire, electricity, spark, thunder, ulkapat, etc. Vayukai, air blowing above and below. Hurricane, the air coming out of one's mouth. Air which makes a sound, the air from AC, fan and cooler, storm, etc. Vanaspatikai. Vanaspatikai is further divided into 2 parts. Pratyek Vanaspatikai, Sadharan Vanaspatikai. Pratyek Vanaspatikai, those who have one Jeev in one body. Jeev's 7 parts have separate Jeevs. The names of 7 parts are flowers, fruits, bark, stem, root, leaves and seed. Sadharan Vanaspatikai, those who have infinite Jeev in one body, whose fibers, joints and nodes are hidden, breaks into similar parts, which has thicker and harder skin as compared to the pulp, which grows under the ground, and sowing any of its parts leads to plant growth. There is no such rule that an Anantkaya shall have all these qualities. Even if one of these qualities is present, it is called Anantkaya. Like all types of roots and tubers, potatoes, onions, garlic, green turmeric, spinach, leafy radish, etc. Whether Pratyek or Sadharan, every Vanaspatikai while growing, that is in the budding stage, it is in the form of Anantkaya. Then if the Jeev belongs to the Pratyek class, the primary Jeev of the tree stays and all others die. Forms of Paryapt, Aparyapt. Paryapti, special power of the Atma derived from the accumulation of Pudgals. This Paryapti is of 6 types. Pudgal means matter. Ahar Paryapti, food acquiring capability, the ability to consume food and transform it into ras and khal. Due to this Paryapti, Jeev consumes and transforms it. Khal means waste products like urine, feces, etc. Ras means 7 elements like blood, flesh, etc. Sharir Paryapti, body acquiring capability, the ability to transform the ras synthesized from food into 7 dhatu, plasma, blood, flesh, fats, bones, nerves, semen, is Sharir Paryapti. Substances useful for the physical body are called dhatus. These 7 dhatus have been mentioned in Ayurveda. Indriya Paryapti, senses acquiring capability, the ability to make sensory organs like eyes, ears, etc. with the help of the useful Pudgals is Indriya Paryapti. Shwasoshwas Paryapti, respiration acquiring capability, the ability to accept or consume the Pudgals required for breathing and transforms them into breath is called Shwasoshwas Paryapti. Bhasha Paryapti, Speech acquiring capability. The ability to accept or consume the pudgals of Bhasha Vargana and transform them into speech is Bhasha Paryapti. Man Paryapti, mind acquiring capability. The ability to accept or consume the pudgals of Mano Vargana and transform them into mind is Man Paryapti. Swayogya Paryaptis, Ekindriya. They have 4 Paryaptis: Ahar, Sharir, Indriya and Shwasoshwas. Viklendriya, that is Beindriya, Tendriya, Chaurindriya and Asangi Panchindriya jeeves. They have all Paryaptis except Man. Sangdi Panchindriya, that is Garbaj Manushya, Garbaj Tiryansh, Dev, Narki. They have 6 Paryaptis. Any jeev dies after completing at least 3 Paryaptis, not before that. If the jeev dies after completing these Swayogya Paryaptis, then it is called Paryapt, else Aparyapt. For example, Ekindriya jeev has 4 Paryaptis. If it completes all 4 Paryaptis, it will be called Paryapt. But if it leaves the 4th Paryapti incomplete, then it is called Aparyapt. Types of Sthavar jeeves. Sukshma, the jeeves which cannot be seen by the naked eye and those which cannot be pierced, divided or burnt. These jeeves cannot be seen even through microscope. Badar, the big jeeves which can be seen by the naked eye. Microorganisms visible through microscopes are also Badar jeeves. 22 types of Sthavar jeeves. Of Prithvikai, Sukshma Paryapt Prithvikai, Sukshma Aparyapt Prithvikai, Badar Paryapt Prithvikai, Badar Aparyapt Prithvikai. Of Apkai, Sukshma Paryapt Apkai, Sukshma Aparyapt Apkai, Badar Paryapt Apkai, Badar Aparyapt Apkai. Of Teukai, Sukshma Paryapt Teukai, Sukshma Aparyapt Teukai, Badar Paryapt Teukai, Badar Aparyapt Teukai. Of Vayukai, Sukshma Paryapt Vayukai, Sukshma Aparyapt Vayukai, Badar Paryapt Vayukai, Badar Aparyapt Vayukai. Of Sadharan Vanaspatikai, Sukshma Paryapt Sadharan Vanaspatikai, Sukshma Aparyapt Sadharan Vanaspatikai, Badar Paryapt Sadharan Vanaspatikai, Badar Aparyapt Sadharan Vanaspatikai. Of Pratyek Vanaspatikai, Badar Paryapt Pratyek Vanaspatikai, Badar Aparyapt Pratyek Vanaspatikai. So there are 22 types of Sthavar jeeves, that is Ekindriya jeeves. Tras, the jeev which can move as per its wish during times of happiness and sorrow. They are called thrust jeeves. Example, ants, humans, etc. There are 4 types of thrust jeeves: Beindriya, Tendriya, Chaurindriya and Panchindriya. Beindriya, they have the sense of touch and taste, like conch shells, worms, earthworms, jeeves being born in abhaksha items, etc. Tendriya, they have the senses of touch, taste and smell, lice, ants, caterpillars, termites, bugs. Chaurindriya, they have the senses of touch, taste, smell and sight, scorpions, bees, mosquitoes, houseflies, cockroaches, etc. These 3 are called Viklendriya. They are further divided into 2 types, Paryapt and Aparyapt. So, Paryapt Beindriya, Aparyapt Beindriya, Paryapt Tendriya, Aparyapt Tendriya, Paryapt Chaurindriya, Aparyapt Chaurindriya. Total types of Viklendriya are 6. So in this episode, we learned about jeev, types of jeeves and other information like Paryapti, etc. Thanks for joining Jainism course. Sarve Jeevo Mokshe Jao.